Planning a move from South Bend to Crown Point and wondering how much movers will cost? Since this is an intrastate move within Indiana, the price usually depends on more than just mileage. Your home, size, number of movers, packing needs, stairs, parking access, specialty items, and timing can all affect the final quote. In this video, we'll break down what affects the cost of moving from South Bend to Crown Point and how to plan your move with fewer surprises. According to Three Movers, moves from South Bend to Crown Point average around $900 to $1,400 for typical 2 to 3 bedroom homes, with pricing based on distance and labor. Their guide also notes that many moves on this northern Indiana route cost about $900 to $2,400 for a typical 1 to 3 bedroom home, depending on the move size, crew, packing, stairs, long carries, and special items. The route is about 70 to 80 miles, and most deliveries are completed the same day. The first major cost factor is the size of your move. A studio or one-bedroom apartment with basic furniture and boxes will usually cost less than a larger home with multiple bedrooms, appliances, garage items, patio furniture, and heavy pieces. More items mean more loading time, more truck space, more labor, and sometimes a larger crew. For this route, movers may send anywhere from 2 to 4 movers, depending on the size of the home and how much needs to be handled. Three Movers explains that most South Bend to Crown Point moves take around 5 to 10 hours total, depending on home size. A studio or one bedroom may take about 2 to 3 hours to load, while larger homes may need 4 to 6 hours of loading, plus travel and unloading time. Packing can make the move much easier, but it can also increase the quote. If you need movers to pack boxes, wrap fragile items, disassemble furniture, handle antiques, move large appliances, or transport specialty items like pianos or safes, those details should be included in the estimate. Full-service movers can handle packing, loading, transportation, unloading, and unpacking, but that convenience usually comes at a higher cost. The easiest way to get a realistic price is to request a quote based on your actual inventory, moving date, pickup access, delivery access, packing needs, and any specialty items. If you're moving from South Bend to Crown Point, visit Three Movers to compare options and request a free moving estimate.